Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, it has been a crazy 2 weeks. I usually upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I know I've been kind of MIA and I don't like it. I uploaded once this week on Wednesday, but I promise that I'm going to be getting back into it. It's just I have worked the past 12 days out of 14. So the past 2 weeks I've worked 12 shifts and I have not enjoyed it at all. I just miss filming, I miss uploading, I miss being on YouTube, but it has been a crazy past 2 weeks and I'm just hoping that things will slow down and I'll have time to film again, because this is getting a little bit ridiculous and a little bit annoying, especially since the weather has been nice. So anyways, the MAC Electric Wonder collection actually came out this week, and on my first day off, which was yesterday, I decided that I would finally check it out and buy a couple of things from the collection, show it to you guys, tell you guys what I think, because this is a big summer launch that comes out every summer. Did that make sense? I don't know. I haven't filmed in a really long time. I had no pre-loaded content that I could have uploaded for you guys. This is the first time I'm filming in a hot minute, and if I'm a little bit rusty, that's why. So I went to MAC at the Bay. They had a friends and family sale right now. They still have it going on all of this weekend. Well, when you guys are watching this video, it's Sunday, so it's the last day for the friends and family sale, but everything is 10% off. So I got all the stuff for 10% off. I purchase from the summer collections every year. I used to do haul videos on them every year, but these past couple collections, these past couple years, I've literally bought 2 things. I bought a compact and a lipstick from both collections because I'm a collector of MAC compacts and MAC lipsticks. So I feel like, oh yeah, I've had a brush hair on my lip this whole entire time. I was like, what is that? Okay, so I'm gonna basically show you guys what I got from the collection and then put it on my face. That's why I'm not wearing lipstick right now. So these lipsticks, they went up in price. I don't know why. They're $24 right now, but like I said, I got everything for 10% off. So I'm gonna show you guys the lipsticks first. I got 2 of them, so I got 2 of the nude ones. Let me just tell you guys, this collection, the packaging is really what drew me into this collection. I really like the theme of the collection. It's very just aesthetically pleasing. Whenever I first saw it online, I was like, that is gorgeous. I need it in my life. So it's this pink and gold marble. It's stunning. It's really, really pretty. I haven't been this impressed by MAC packaging in a while. Yeah, in a while. I really like the Patrick Star collection. That one was really good. That was really well done. And then the summer from 5 years ago, they did a water droplet collection kind of thing. Everything had water droplets all over it. It was called Aqua something. That collection was on point, and I haven't really been excited for a summer launch since 2015. So I'm just happy they stepped up their game. They went for it with this packaging, because this is very me. I just can't. Look at how pretty that is. It is so gorgeous, so well done. I'm in love. They did a really great job on this collection. Also, I will be doing a review / haul on the Aladdin collection hopefully soon. I was going to film that today, but I'm really late. I'm supposed to be going to the mall at 3. It's already 3 when I'm filming this video. So that is the lipstick packaging. It's so freaking, I can't. If you don't like pink marble with gold detailing, then you probably don't like this and you think it's ugly, but I think it's so gorgeous. This whole collection was themed around neutral, just glowy skin, natural. I really like that for the summertime, because usually summer launches are bright and crazy and fun, which I like as well. I like both. One is very neutral, and it's stuff that you can wear every day, which I really like, because I can get away with wearing colors like these to work and it's fine, but if I'm going for a bright red or something, I would not be able to pull that off. So yeah, each of the bullets are a little bit different. I find the marbling on them a little bit different on each one, which is cool. It's very unique, and this one is a little bit darker, so it's just real marble. It's just real marble or granite or something like that. So this actually reminds me of a bathroom counter, except it's gray and not pink. But the first one I got was the Naturalist, and this is a luster, and I think this is the one I'm going to be wearing today. So it's a really nice neutral. I have been loving these like kind of brown tone lipsticks lately, but so like a little bit of a darker nude, I would say, like a darker beigey nude. That's what I've been loving lately. I'm not a fan of like the concealer nude, but you know what, I ended up getting a really light nude as well for days when I'm feeling like I want, you know, if I'm doing like a really dramatic eye. If I'm using the Blue Blood palette from Jeffree Star, I would definitely wear a lipstick like this, and this is called Feeling Sentimental, and it is a satin, so it looks like that. It's a little bit lighter. So I'm going to be trying this out right now. So I should have probably taken pictures before before trying this out, because that's what I usually do. I take pictures for Instagram and stuff like that, but that's the color. It's really, really pretty. Like I said, very, just, it would go good with a lot of things, like with everything. So I also got 2 of the face products in this collection. Oh my goodness. Like I said, I collect these compacts and the lipstick bullets from MAC, like the special edition ones anyways. So the first thing is Canyon Dreaming, which is a bronzer, and it looks like this. So this is what it looks like, and this is the lighter bronzer. Oh, let me just look at the compact. It is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. If you are into MAC, if you ever were into MAC, if you really like those collections from back in the day when Heatherette was out, when Fafinette was out, like, this is like, I don't know. I can't even, I don't have words for this collection. I think it's just gorgeous, and I really just, I'm in love with everything. So this bronzer, I have MAC bronzers from the past, but I feel like none of them are this smooth. Maybe they reformulated them. Like, I haven't tried a MAC bronzer in a long time, in a few years at least, and I don't remember the formula being this good. So I feel like they definitely stepped up their bronzer game. This is just called their regular bronzer powder. It's just called bronzer powder. And this is in the color Canyon Dreaming, so I'm going to test it out for you guys right now. You know the Jeffree Star collection, the summer one that's coming out? I am so excited for it. I'm going to be doing a whole video and telling you guys what I'm getting, what I think of it, and all of that stuff, because if you haven't seen his reveal video yet, you need to watch it, because girl, it's gonna be so good. And I'm gonna need you guys to watch all my ads so that I have money to buy that collection, because I just want everything, and oh my god, I can't. Anyways, that is like the complete opposite of this collection. It was very like bright and colorful and stuff. So this is the bronzer. Ooh, I'm gonna go ahead and try the iridescent, what is it called? Serenity Seeker iridescent powder right now. I wasn't actually going to be using these brushes anymore. Remember, I did a review on these. I don't know if you guys watched that video. If you guys want to check out that video, go ahead and watch it. I did a review video on these like mermaid brushes, and I said that the fan brush was all flimsy and I didn't really like it very much, and I probably wouldn't use it again, but my other fan brush is dirty, so I'm gonna try this out. So this is supposed to be like a finishing powder. That's what it's marketed as anyway, so we will see what it does. So we're just gonna oh, I like that. I'm just placing it. I already have highlighter on, you guys, so I'm doing this very, very lightly on just areas like my nose and my chin. Maybe a little bit on top of the highlighter that I'm already wearing. I don't even know if you guys can tell, but yeah, it's a really pretty powder. It gives kind of just an all over polished finished look. It's a little bit glowy. You could definitely build it up a little bit and wear it as a highlighter, but I really like their iridescent powders. I think that they're all really good, honestly. If you're looking for a finishing powder, go for their like either these ones or their mineralized skin finishes. Those are very similar type products. And yeah, very, very nice. The last thing I got from this collection was the face palette. They had a couple of the eyeshadow palettes, but like I said, you guys, I have not had the time lately to even do my eyeshadow, which is really sad because I have so many eyeshadow palettes and I love doing my eyeshadow, but I just haven't had the time lately and I couldn't justify buying a whole new eyeshadow palette with stuff that looks like stuff I already have. Like there's a neutral palette and then there's like a gray tone palette, and I feel like I just already have all of those colors already, so I decided just to go with the face palette, and it's called the Ignite Wonder face palette. So this is really nice, you guys. This packaging is really cool. So it is plastic, it's not cardboard, which might be what you were expecting because it's kind of like what I was expecting. I don't know why. I know that everything from MAC is usually plastic, but I saw this online and I'm like, that has to be cardboard. Because most stuff that come in this type of packaging is usually cardboard, but it's not. It's plastic. It's very luxurious and pretty. This was like $49. It's not terribly priced. It comes with 6 blushes. I was gonna say eyeshadows. It comes with 6 blushes. So blushes slash highlighters. So I'm already wearing highlighter. I don't know why I put it on earlier. So I'm just gonna use one of the blush colors. I'm probably gonna use this the middle one on the bottom row. It comes with this beautiful big mirror at the top if you guys can see that. So this color is called, all of the colors are on this like thing. It's called the 7 Wonders, and I swatched this in the store. It's very like pigmented and very nice, and it almost feels like creamy, so that's kind of like what drew me in. So if you're looking for like a neutral-ish blush palette, this one's for you, definitely. I don't have a lot of neutral blushes. I always tend to go for like bright pinks, or Orgasm by NARS is my favorite blush of all time. So I go for definitely like pinky tone blushes a lot. I don't really go for these neutral tones, so I don't have very many of them, but so that's pretty much the final look with the stuff I got from the collection. I don't know if you guys can see my skin, but holy shit, it looks so pretty right now with the lipstick, and it's just very like glowy. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see my skin on the camera. Hopefully you can. It's just glowy and neutral, and it's pretty. Like it looks like I'm glowing naturally, minus the highlighter. The highlighter's a little bit crazy. I honestly think that if you really like neutral looks, you can definitely pull it off with this collection. And if you really are into neutral looks and you wear them every single day, this collection is definitely worth it for you. And you should definitely check out the eyeshadows as well in this line. You might have other stuff like it, but it's a pretty good deal, especially if you're starting to get into MAC right now. If you've never bought MAC before, these eyeshadow palettes they're coming out with are really great, like staple pieces for your collection that you don't have to build up on. Like before, when I first started using MAC, I'd have to buy each and every single eyeshadow individually, or like buy them in quads and stuff, but now they have so many more options. They have eyeshadow palettes like the ones in this collection, so definitely go ahead and check them out, especially the face palette. So definitely my recommendations in this collection. If you have a ton of lipsticks, you're not gonna wanting to be purchasing another lipstick anytime soon, skip on the lipsticks. They're very similar to stuff that MAC already has in their permanent collection, but I do like this color. Check out the bronzer powders, especially if you haven't checked out a MAC bronzer in a while, because the formula is amazing. It's creamy. It's just, I don't know, it just feels like so silky smooth. It's very easy to blend. Really loved the bronzer. The finishing powder you can skip on if you buy this face palette, because it has similar, you know, it has highlighters already in here. It has highlighters and blushes, so it kind of has like everything in one. This is actually a really good price, because I remember again having to build my own blush palette from MAC and having to buy the blushes individually. So this is really not a bad deal at all, because their blushes by themselves, like the single ones, retail for like $22. So For the price of pretty much 2 blushes, you're getting 6 in this palette. So if you look at it that way, it's a really great deal. And just in general, if you really like this packaging, definitely check out the Electric Wonder collection. And yeah, this is not sponsored at all by MAC. I wished it was because I love their products. I've always have. So that is pretty much it for my review on this collection. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye everyone.